Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Recipes channel. Iftar meals continue to be made for the month of Ramadan. Chicken doner will be made as a main dish without using a machine. Whole chicken will be used to make chicken doner. Chickens are prepared boneless. Seven kilograms of boneless chicken will be used for 40 people. You can cut the chicken and remove the bones, or you can prepare it whole boneless. Add yogurt to chicken doner marinade sauce. 7 tablespoons of yogurt will be enough for 7 kilograms of chicken. There is no need to exaggerate. Red cayenne pepper, black pepper, cumin, thyme, hot pepper flakes and salt. It is very important to adjust the salt ratio well. You can add 70 grams of salt for 7 kilograms of chicken. Hot pepper sauce, tomato paste, chicken bouillon and garlic. Mix completely and add the chickens. Roll the chickens and add them to the tray. As a reminder, these procedures are done the day before making this dish. Chickens are kept in the freezer until they are completely hardened. You can cut the chicken when it starts to soften a little 1 hour after taking it out of the freezer. Chicken slices should be like this, not too thin paper, be careful. Place the chickens on the baking tray. Chicken doner will be accompanied by French fries. Animal fat. This oil is used in chicken doner kebab. It will be used to give the same flavor. Actually, there is no need to add oil, because the chickens are used whole, only the breast meat is lean, so this oil is used. You can use butter. Chickens will first be cooked in the oven at high heat and then roasted a little in a large pan. Preparing fried potatoes. Animal dried oil. If you use this oil as a reminder, you should definitely serve the chicken doner hot. If you wait, the oil will freeze, which is not good. Chicken doner is ready now. Salad will be made. Finely chopped lettuce. Purple cabbage. Onion. Carrot grating. Some parsley. Materials are mixed. Lemon dressing for salad. Water, lemon salt, grape vinegar, lemon juice, pomegranate syrup and olive oil. Some salt. Lemon juice for salad and salad ready to serve. 600 grams of red lentils are added to make ezogelin soup. 1 handful of rice. 1 handful of bulgur. Materials are washed 1 cycle. Adding boiling water. Chicken bone broth, boiled for 2 hours. Chicken bouillon. The foam that rises on it is removed and the lentils are boiled for 30 to 40 minutes. It can be in the form of small grains. Sunflower oil. A handful of barley vermicelli. Wheat flour is added and it needs to be roasted for 5 minutes. Tomato paste. Black pepper. Dry mint. Chili pepper. Mix and add boiling water. Boiled lentils, rice and bulgur added juicy. Some salt. Lemon juice. Tomato juice. After boiling, ezogelin soup is ready to serve. Adding boiling water to auger pasta. Salt. Add pasta to boiling water. Cook for 8 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add cold water and leave for 5 minutes. Tomato paste sauce will be prepared for pasta. Sunflower oil is added. Tomato paste. Hot pepper sauce. Cornstarch. Some water. After the pasta is left for a while, it is added to the strainer. It is ready to serve after mixing the sauce and pasta completely. Some black pepper and paprika. I shot many videos during Ramadan. But editing and uploading takes a long time. But 4 videos have been uploaded. The rest of the videos will be shared over time as a dinner menu. Thank you for your attention. You can follow us on Instagram and Facebook. If you want to donate, you can specify in the comments. Don't forget to click the like button. See you again in a new video. Goodbye.